In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the date and time settings on your computer with ease using the built-in tools provided by your operating system. Adjusting these settings can be useful for a variety of reasons, such as ensuring your calendar notifications are accurate or making sure your timestamps align correctly, especially if you've recently traveled to a different time zone. Let's dive into the process. Firstly, we'll need to access the date and time settings. To do this, locate the time display on your taskbar. It's typically at the bottom right corner of your screen. What you want to do is perform a right-click directly on the time. This action will present you with a menu that includes several options. Among these options, you'll find one that says Adjust Date and Time. Go ahead and click on this option. Once you've clicked Adjust Date and Time, a new window or panel should open, revealing various settings related to your computer's clock. Here, you have several choices. If you want to synchronize your settings so they automatically update, perhaps based on your location, you'll find an option to set the date and time automatically. This is particularly handy as it leverages internet-based time servers to keep your system's clock accurate and consistent. If automatic settings don't suit your needs, for example, if you prefer to set your machine to a different time zone than your current physical location, you can also manually select your time zone. Look for a section within the settings that allows you to change the time zone. Usually this is a drop-down menu listing various global time zones. Simply select the one that's appropriate for your requirements. For those needing even more customization, you can also manually adjust the date and time if necessary. There may be buttons or fields labeled Change Date and Time or similar. Clicking on these will let you input the exact date and time you desire. Keep in mind that manually setting your date and time can override any automatic updates, so use this option with care if you regularly need precise timekeeping. After you've made your adjustments, there's typically no Save button. Changes should take effect immediately. However, it's always a good idea to give your machine a moment to process the new settings. Depending on your operating system, you might see an immediate update on the taskbar, reflecting the changes you've made. And there you have it. Adjusting your date and time settings is a straightforward process, but it's invaluable in ensuring that your system operates smoothly and in line with your needs. Whether you're syncing automatically for accuracy or customizing settings for specific needs, you are now equipped to handle it with confidence. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel prepared to make any necessary adjustments on your own. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and guides.